In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a profile on Amazon Prime Video. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin, open your web browser and visit the Amazon website. Once the homepage is loaded, take a moment to locate the section labeled Account and Lists. This section is typically found at the top right of the screen and serves as your gateway to various account settings and services. By clicking on Account and Lists, you will access a drop-down menu that allows you to manage your orders, subscriptions, and other personal settings. After accessing this menu, the next step is to locate and click on the Prime option. This will take you to the Prime section where all the features and services related to your Amazon Prime membership are available. In this section, you can review your membership details, manage your subscriptions, and adjust settings for Amazon Prime Video. The Prime section is designed to keep all related information organized and easily accessible. Within the Prime section, focus your attention on the profile area. This part of the interface is dedicated to managing individual profiles that have been set up for Amazon Prime Video. It is important to note that the profile section is where you can manage multiple viewing experiences, making it convenient to switch between different profiles when using the streaming service. Once you have clicked on the profile section, your next step is to find and click on Manage Profiles. This will open a new screen or overlay where all the profiles linked to your Amazon Prime Video account are displayed. This page provides a clear overview of each active profile, allowing you to decide which one you may want to delete. Within the Manage Profiles section, identify the option labelled Edit Profile. Selecting this option will enable you to view additional actions available for each individual profile. This detailed view is necessary as it provides the option to remove a profile from your account. It is here that you will make the choice that best suits your account management needs. After selecting the Edit Profile option, the next step is to choose the profile that you wish to delete. You should see a list or a grid of profiles that are currently active. Carefully review the displayed profiles and select the one you no longer need. Taking a moment to confirm that you have selected the correct profile can help prevent any mistakes during this process. The final step is to click on Remove Profile. When you select this option, you will be prompted to confirm your decision to delete the profile from your account. Once you confirm the selected profile will be permanently removed from Amazon Prime Video, follow any on-screen instructions that appear to ensure that the profile is successfully deleted from your account. This comprehensive guide has taken you through every necessary step with clear instructions to safely delete an unwanted profile on Amazon Prime Video. By carefully following these steps, you can manage your account more effectively and create a smoother streaming experience. Enjoy your personalized viewing environment on Amazon Prime Video.